All right, so in this video, we're going to go over the first bullet here. So we're going to write the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line when you're given both the slope and the y-intercept, okay? So this is going to be the easiest thing you're going to do when it comes to writing slope-intercept form, all right? So a couple things we need to know. I'm going to let you guys read over this here. But one thing we need to know first off is that the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, okay? And we call that slope-intercept form. All right, so slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay. Now, what I've typed here, and is going to be in your notes, is the importance of slope-intercept form. No matter what class you're in from this point forward, you're going to deal with some linear equations that are going to have to be in slope-intercept form, whether it's geometry, algebra 2, whatever. Okay, so the importance of slope-intercept form can't be overstated. Okay. So this is the most basic thing we can do here, where you're given both values that you're going to plug in to these points, okay, or these places. One for m, slope, b, y-intercept, okay? So in example 1, part A here, we want to write the slope-intercept form of the equation with a slope of 1/3 and a y-intercept of 6, okay? So the slope is given to us as 1/3. The y-intercept, which we call b, is given to us as 6, okay? So all we have to do is plug these two values into our slope-intercept form and we're done, okay? So slope-intercept form again is y equals mx plus b. We're going to replace m with 1/3 because they're equal. We're going to replace b with 6 because they're equal. So the slope-intercept form, when we're given the slope and the y-intercept of 1/3 and 6 respectively, is going to be y equals 1/3 x plus 6. So that's the equation of the line with this slope and this y-intercept, okay? Let's look at part B here, okay? We're given this information. We want to write the slope-intercept form of the equation that has a slope of 0 and a y-intercept of -5, okay? Slope is 0, that means m equals 0. Y-intercept is -5, that means b equals -5, okay? So we're just going to plug these values into my slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, which gives me this, y equals 0x plus 5. I replace m with 0. I replace b with -5. Okay, so this should be a -5 here. Okay? All right. So what happens here, we don't need that 0x there. So the equation is just going to be y equals -5, okay? Because the 0x just goes away. So y equals -5 is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that has a slope of 0 and a y-intercept of -5, okay? So that's how you write an equation in slope-intercept form when you're given both pieces of information.